Hello, Joplin students, staff, friends, and families. Chris here from Major Saver. We are so excited to be kicking off the Major Saver fundraiser in your school today. Students, each one of you are going home with a packet that looks just like this. Please do us a huge favor and clearly print your first and last name, teacher's name, and grade here at the top. That way, if it gets lost or misplaced, we can get it back to you as quickly as possible. Fold it, put it in your backpack or your take-home folder, get this out tonight, share this information with your family. There's a lot of good information here on the front side of the packet. Now, just as a reminder, the Major Saver card is a discount card. It entitles the holder of the card to go to 21 area businesses, all offering a buy one, get one free deal or a special discount to the card holder. The card itself costs $15. Now, in addition to the local area businesses, it also gets you access to our Major Saver app that has thousands of reusable offers that can be used both locally and regionally, as well as nationwide. Now, who are some good people to sell the Major Saver card to? Think friends and families. Mom and dads, aunts and uncles, grandparents, friends of the family. If you're involved with sports or activities outside of school and it's cool with them, take this along with you. You might run into someone, doesn't have a student here in the district, but they'll end up buying a Major Saver card from you because it's such an awesome value. Now, how can they go about buying a card? That's a great question. They have two options. The first one is cash or check. You're going to put their money inside of this packet. You're going to write their name over here in this box so you know whose money you have collected. You'll then bring this packet back with you to school on any of the collection days that are listed here in the upper left-hand corner. The very first day is Monday, October the 10th, and the last day is Monday, October the 17th. The Major Saver rep will be in your school every day for 1 week. Now, if you have money to turn in, please bring it into school with you on any of those collection days and give this envelope to your teacher. Teachers, if you would, please make sure the student's name, your name, and grade is clearly printed here at the top, and then send them to the office first thing in the morning. The Major Saver rep will stop by. We'll take the money out, we'll put the cards in, we'll put the prizes in, then we'll give the student packet back so they can keep on selling until that last day. Now, option number two, if someone would like to use their credit or debit card to purchase the card, you can easily make that happen. We would highly encourage you to take advantage of our contactless ordering program by going to our website, majorsaver.com, and creating a unique student link just for you. Talks about that here on the bottom side of the packet. By using that unique link, whenever you purchase their Major Saver card, you will automatically be credited for that sale. We'll mail the card to the person who bought it, then we'll credit you, the student, for that online sale by delivering your prizes here at school. Now, two important things to note about our online sales process. One, it does not have to be just a Joplin area card for you and your school district to receive credit. If you have friends or family that live outside of the Joplin area, chances are we're going to work with the school or school district that's either in their hometown or very there close by. Again, any cards bought online, you will still receive credit, whether it's a Joplin card or happens to be from one of our other areas that we service. Now, important point number two is our online sales are delayed to our rep by 1 business day. So if you wake up on Monday, October the 10th, and you're like, Mom, Dad, we forgot to buy our Major Saver cards, and you're going to buy them with your credit or debit card, go ahead and buy them that morning, and you'll get your day one bonus, but just make sure that you know that you'll be receiving your day one bonus on Tuesday as opposed to Monday. But again, you'll still be receiving credit for that day one bonus on the next business day. Now, on the back side of our packet is our entire prize program. We've got some great stuff lined up. Stay tuned. Here it comes. Now on to the fun stuff, the prizes. On the back side of your packet, you will see our entire prize program laid out. Our prizes range from selling just one little old Major Saver card all the way to selling 50 Major Saver cards. So let's get started. Our prize for selling one card this year, we have our glitter poppers. They come in all different colors. Simply turn them inside out, place them down on a hard surface, and off they'll fly. This is our prize for selling one Major Saver card, our glitter poppers. Thought I was going to catch that one. After that, we go to three. Our 3-point prize this year, I'm sure you know what these are fidget pop tubes. Now, I don't know what it is about this sound, but it annoys the heck out of me. This is our prize for selling 3 Major Saver cards, our fidget pop tubes. After 3, we go to 7. Our 7-point prize is awesome. Every student who sells 7 or more Major Saver cards will be invited to the Kona Ice Party at school. We'll get you out of classroom for a little bit, take you outside to the Kona Ice truck, get you all the Kona Ice you want. Again, this is our prize for selling 7 or more Major Saver cards, is our Kona Ice Party. Now, after 7, we go to 9. At our 9-point prize, one of my personal favorites this year are our Munchie Ramen Noodles. They're stretchy, twist them, turn them. Again, this is our prize for selling 9 Major Saver cards, is our ramen noodle pack. After 9, we go to 12. This is our light up dancing ball. Simply turn it on with a little switch here. It'll run around your living room floor, light up, plays a soundtrack. Again, this is our prize for selling 12 or more Major Saver cards, is our light up dancing ball. After 12, we go to 16. Our 16-point prize is our light-up Bluetooth LED stick speaker. Hook this up to your favorite Bluetooth device, jam out to all your favorite songs. This is our prize for selling 16 or more Major Saver cards, our light-up Bluetooth stick speaker. After 16, we go to 20. This is not cold, hard cash. This is soft and plush cash. This is our $100 money pillow. Again, our prize for selling 20 or more Major Saver cards. After 20, we go to 30, and then we go to 40. Our 30-point prize is our B3 Blitz game. This is set up for hours of fun for indoor use. Comes with little ping pong balls and miniature bean bags. Step back, toss them into the scoring buckets. Again, our B3 Blitz game for selling 30 or more Major Saver cards. Then to make sure you guys can see it, I'll raise it up a little bit. Our 40-point prize this year is our 4th generation Amazon Alexa. Set your alarm clock in the morning, maybe a reminder to do some homework. Again, this is our prize for selling 40 or more Major Saver cards. Now, I mentioned the 50-point prize earlier. Our 50-point prize is a flat screen TV. And again, any student who sells 50 or more Major Saver cards will get our flat screen TV in addition to all the other prizes. Now, there's one more prize to tell you about, a day one bonus. Here it is on the back. These are our Coop Squad keychain characters. They come in 12 unique designs. You can hang them off your backpack like I've done here. But again, you'll get one of these for every card sold between now and the first day. Now, to show these up close and personal for you, I've got a quick video that outlines all of our Coop characters.
Everybody was kung fu fighting. Those kids were fast as lightning. In fact, it was a little bit frightening, but they fought with expert timing. They were funky Chinamen from funky Chinatown. They were chopping them up, they were chopping them down. It's an ancient Chinese art, and everybody knew their part. From a fainting to a slip, and a kicking from the hip. Everybody was kung fu fighting. Those kids were fast as lightning. In fact, it was a little bit frightening. Hey, yeah. But they fought with
Those Kung Fu Coops are awesome. Be safe selling, and we'll see you next week for the very first collection day. Remember, that's up in the upper left-hand corner of your packet. Stay safe.